And there's the pack. There it is. How's everybody doing tonight? Hope y'all have had a wonderful Thursday. Mine was... yeah, a little bit of that. It wasn't bad, though. I'm going to turn that down just a little bit more. If that's too quiet, let me know. I can turn it back up. Hello, everybody. How's it going? Hello, Rod and Molly. Hello to Super Junior Pac-Man and Justin. And hello, Donnie and Exatron. Hope you guys had a great Thursday. Just one more day before the weekend and New Year's Eve on Saturday. You have sickness and the only cure is pack memes. Oh no. More microwave progress. Dargo finally decided to stop sulking after you vacuumed. Yeah. That's so funny he did that. How long did he do that for? As for your pack fact, Super Junior Pac-Man, I think we've maybe talked about this before. I can't remember. I'm gonna reuse it anyway. But in the Pac-Man animated series in the 80s, you had your basic characters like Pac-Man, Miss Pac-Man, and they had Super Pac-Man in there too. But he was a separate character. He was his own character. He was like this wacky superhero that just kind of showed up at inopportune times. And it actually made it really funny. Like, he actually was a pretty good character, even though he was kind of dumb. But I just find that interesting compared to the fact that I think Super Pac-Man was basically just Pac-Man with enhanced power pills. And then even in Pac-Man 2 The New Adventures, Super Pac-Man was Pac-Man transformed. So they're one and the same characters in pretty much everything else, but in the cartoon, they're two separate characters. So... he hid under your bed all day. Never seen him afraid like that. Oh, poor baby. You need to give him some treats. Lure him out with treats. Lure him out with the treats. And then he'll be better. I tried a thing where I edited some sound stuff. So that way for me and for the stream and for everything else, everything kind of should... Sorry, I have the hiccups. I ate Chinese food. I'm really full. Oh my god. But everything should line up better now. So that's why I'm a little bit delayed on getting started. I was trying to fix some stuff. So hopefully everything should line up a little bit better when it comes to sounds. I'm hoping. Anyway. But yes, we're going to be working on MicroStream RPG today. I am very happy with my progress lately. I will show you guys this so far. So this is what I've been kind of working on. A little bit here and there. Obviously, you've seen the stuff that I've been doing, like the chroma color things here. But I have made it now so that it actively works. Like, this hex code box makes me very happy. Now, there is something that is annoying. My freaking... There, notepad. Give me that. There is something that's really annoying right now. And it's actually not my fault. So, no, can we genuinely talk about that? Why did Hanna-Barbera think to take the Sun character and make him the cool and dreamy cousin of Pac? Did they make him a cousin? That's right, they did, didn't he? Because his name was PJ. His name was PJ in the cartoon. Instead of it being Junior Pac-Man, it was Pac Jr. And they named him PJ. I forgot that he was his cousin. But he's like younger too. Like, isn't he in school and shit? It's weird. I don't know. They did some weird stuff, but I mean, it was still fun. I feel like he was still in school because he was like that teenage, like that rebel teenager kind of college. Okay, some sort of school. But yeah. Anyway, like, it's really cool. You can push the enter button, and I made a cursor now. Look, I actually made a cursor. That sounds harder than it is because I actually had to do a fast loop that calculated out the size of the string that's being in here and voice check. Did it go weird? Anyway, but yeah, I I had to calculate out the length of the string, which really wasn't that bad, because every character that can be in here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, A, B, C, D, E, F. All of those characters are all 4 pixels wide with 1 pixel of space. The only exception is the 0. The 0 is 5 characters wide with 1 pixel space. So, basically, if you do anything else, you can see here it doesn't actually go all the way to the end. It almost looks like there's room enough for another character, but obviously we don't allow anymore. I can hit all the buttons I want, and it won't let me do any other characters, which is neat. And then if you do zeros, it will go all the way through. Now, the one thing here that's weird is that normally in a text box that you're editing, you can hit left and right, to move the cursor somewhere else in case you want to edit. You sure that's a 0, not an outline 2? Kind of looks like an outline 2 if you look at it that way. But so yeah, normally you can use the arrow keys to move the cursor in a box, and you can do that here. No punctuation, nothing works. If I hit 7, 8, if I hit space, nothing happens. Exclamation point, nothing works. It literally will only allow those 16 characters. It's pretty nice. But anyway, so let's put some numbers in here. Now, like I said, normally you can move the cursor. So I can hit the left arrow key 1, 2, 3 times, and it will, if I hit delete now, it'll delete the 8. So, and now the cursor is put where it's supposed to be, right? The cursor is where it's supposed to be. So this is a problem that I'm learning that is with ClickTeam Fusion right now. The latest update that came out apparently had a couple bugs with it, some small minor things, and they're working through them. So I was actually asking people on the Discord today what was going on with this, because I was like, hang on, I'm pretty certain that I've done this right. Why on earth is it not working? And it turns out it is working. I will show you. So if I put this here, it's probably in a bad position, isn't it? Okay, so this box right here is the edit box. It's just hidden off the screen, okay? So that's the edit box that houses the code for this. So you can actually see it in there, has the same text. Nico, thank you so much for the follow. I appreciate that. Welcome in. So we've got the edit box here, and you can see here when I hit enter, you can see how the cursor pops up there. Now when I start hitting left and right, you can see over here how the cursor is actually moving whenever I'm hitting the left and right buttons. Like it is actually moving. But for some reason, ClickTeam Fusion is not like recognizing and not refreshing cursor positions on anything other than just like typing or backspaces for some strange reason. Wait, why did it do that? It moved it. It didn't move it, didn't it? I didn't delete anything yet, have I? Why did it move that? Does it move it if I just let it sit there? What's my go-to hex code? I really like this color that I've got behind here. That's not the default I'm going to put into the game. I'm actually curious of what you guys think. Because, like, most people when they use hex code, they usually use... I don't want this to be this big. That's ridiculous. Most people when they use a hex code, they usually use... or a chroma color, excuse me, they usually use green. So what I think I'm going to do for the default one is going to be green. So that's some of the stuff we're going to work on right now. We're going to make it so that you can fill the text box out, and when you have 6 characters in there, it's going to create that as the hex code. It's going to change it on the fly. or you'll be able to hit the enter key at any point in time. Now, the thing is that we have to keep in mind that people mess up. People make mistakes. So when you're programming a game, you have to account for people making mistakes. And the mistakes that I'm going to have to account for are people having less than 6 characters in there and hitting the enter key. So what I think I'm going to do is I have to program in that it will fill any remaining gaps with, I don't know, I think we're just going to pick one, maybe a 7 or an 8. I don't want it to be either 1s or 0s, because if it's pure zeros, it'd be all black, and if it's pure Fs, it would be all white. So I feel like I want to go kind of a middle ground, so maybe like a 7 or 8. So you could potentially randomize colors. I mean, you could. Do you know about hex colors, Molly, at all? I don't know if you're into those or anything like that. So some places go by RGB. Hex is essentially RGB. It's just a different version of RGB. I know what they do and have used it not knowing what I'm doing. Okay, so hex code, I'm not really certain why it's called hex. Like that is something that's, the only thing I can think of is why it's called hex code is because it typically uses like 6 digits. But a hex color code is essentially an RGB, essentially RGB. So let me see something here. So there's a great website that's out here. Actually, does this just let me do it too? Neat. Google has its own hex editor, apparently. So yeah, the hex code here is going to be 4287F5. So what that is essentially is, 66 red, 135 green, 245 blue. Which kind of makes sense. So I know bright ass pink is FF00FF. That would make sense. Because that would be decimal is base 10, octal is base 8, and binary is base 2. So basically, the first 2 digits of a hex code is the red value, the second 2 digits is the green value, and the third 2 digits are the blue value. So how it translates this is that there is essentially between the 2 numbers and between 16 digits, it goes 0 through 9 and then A through F. So you've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, F. So you have 16 possible digits in a spot, right? So 16, and then you've got 2 digits next to each other. So that's 16 times 16. That makes 256 different combinations of numbers, essentially. So that's how you can get 256 different digits from 2 numbers, essentially. That's kind of confusing a little bit, but that's the way hex typically works. So, like for example, this is F5. It goes 256. This is kind of a good example. So F is the last digit that's possible. So F5 would basically be translated to 245. 246 would be F6. 247 would be F7. 248 would be F8. 249 would be F9. And 250 wouldn't be F0. 250 would be FA. 251 would be FB, then FC, and so on. So it's kind of a neat, it's just a neat system. I like how it works and everything for determining colors. But so essentially, I can't really do random colors. Circle back around to what you were talking about. I can't really do random colors in my program, but somebody could essentially pick random colors, random letters and numbers, and make it whatever they wanted. That they could do that. But what I have to do is if somebody only puts in 4 to 8, 7, I need to fill out these remaining 2 numbers. Can I do that here? Yeah, so we could do FF. Like, if I think what I'm gonna do is just make it so that if somebody puts in, that's gonna change the color drastically. But it really depends on the color, so it doesn't matter. I think I'm gonna make it be 7, so should I make it be 8s? Probably 8s. What if it's all 8s across? I think that would be a good gray color, right? Yeah, that'd be a gray color. What about 7? Is 7 better? 8's better. Okay, we'll do 8s. So your favorite hex color is 000 or 00 FF. Oh, that's a bright one. That's inky blue, I believe. I think that's the color that inky is in the original Pac-Man. Let's see here. So Molly said FF's 00FF that's magenta. Yeah. Hexadecimal is a convenient way to write binary numbers in a more compact form. Every 4 binary digits is 1 hexadecimal digit. Like, this old programming stuff is crazy to me. If you were to look at the original programming for, like, the old arcade games, like Pac-Man, for example, Miss Pac-Man, all those, it's literally nothing but hex. Like, it's just hex codes across the screen. Like, if I go like this, I wonder if it will actually show me. I don't think I can see it here. But, let me see something here. Those 2 in a black background. Yeah, black background with some nice light colors like that. Personally, sometimes if a color is too stark like that, it can hurt my eyes a little bit, so usually I like to desaturate it a bit, but for the most part, I agree with you. I wonder if you can see this. I don't know if you can actually see this here. I feel like there's a way to see it in name. Maybe I'm wrong. No, I don't think there was. I had a friend that did it though. Yeah, there was somebody that I knew. Anyway, like, looking at hex codes for games is like crazy because it's literally just a bunch of like random ass numbers and letters, and it makes the game work, and I don't understand it. And I like when a shader has those 2 like at the left and at the right of the borders. So let's do that. Let's get this color thing working. Let's make it so that somebody can actually enter all 6 digits and it will change the color. Okay? Let's do that. Okay. This machine code, the developers likely wrote the whole game in assembly language, which is the human readable low-level CPU instructions, which then gets converted into binary code. Yeah. Okay. So what you're saying essentially is they didn't totally just do it in binary. Like, they didn't create it from scratch in binary. They actually made it somewhere else and then assembled it. See, I'm still learning about some of that kind of stuff. I just think it's fascinating. Some people have like reverse engineered arcade games through binary and like made their own stuff. And I do not understand how they found that stuff. I don't know how they found these things. Oh, I know a good example. I know one I can show. What I'm thinking of here. There's a channel called Retro Game Mechanics where he talks about this kind of stuff. And he's really, really, really fucking good at it. Yeah, so like... Shit.
RAM chip needs to be receiving power from the console in
So I'll
order
put
to
this over
function
here.
properly.
Like you can kind of see what he's talking about
The RAM
here.
chip loses power, the data it holds starts to decay. So if power
Like these
is
are resting
lost
states,
only
but that's
for
what
a
I'm looking
small
for.
amount of time,
Where does he do
the
it?
chances
He
that
talks
any
about
data value becomes lost
this guy gets like
diminishes.
way in depth on this shit.
If you're
Like
fast
so
enough
much so
at
that for
pulling
me,
up,
I'm just like,
it gets set
this
to
is hex
0,
code
which
essentially, like right here.
corresponds to world
Like this is
1.
memory and like hex code. This is what
If
this
the
stuff
game
looks like.
detects a warm start, however,
Like
not
all these
the
little numbers
memory
and
is
shit
wiped.
here. That's the game
There's
running.
a small section of 41 bytes that aren't wiped out. They retain whatever memory values existed before the soft reset.
Again,
Which, you guessed
it's
it,
cool
contains
stuff.
that
Like it's
starting
amazing
world
to me that
memory.
the computer is doing this and
That
reading
doesn't
all this
explain
stuff,
why
but I'm
this
just
doesn't
like,
happen all of the time,
I just
though.
stare at it and I'm like,
We have to look at how the game determines if it is booting up from a cold start.
don't know what's
or
going
warm
on, but
start situation.
I really just don't. So we're going to, I need to make a flag. So let's make a new flag here that's gonna say, apply color. We're going to a new flag that says apply color. So we're going to do this, and we're going to say text length of this. Wait, do I actually change the text length when we do this? Oh my god, what did I do? Set current string to edit text. Okay, so we're just set left. Okay, yeah, we're just shortening it down and setting the position there. Setting that current string to that. And then we should do that text length to 6 at that point in time. Or are we doing that at the start up here every time? No, we're not. Are we never setting text length? Okay, we are doing it. That's fine. You know what, we should just, I'm just gonna do this. This sounds better. Just do that. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, instead of, we are going to make this. Hi, Gareth. Hydrate. Hydrate or dihydrate. You guys, have you ever found something that you like a whole bunch and you just keep going with it? So, like when it comes to, hey Soul Vampire, I'm doing great, how are you? So like, I used to have so many of like the things, the water enhancers to flavor your water with, and I picked different flavors. I went through different Mios all the time. I went through different Kool-Aid ones, different like the powder packs, the squeeze bottles, all of them. And for some reason, I got the Crush orange one, and I have been hooked ever since. Like that's all I get anymore, is just the orange. And I could drink it literally every day and I never get sick of it. It's so good. What game am I developing? I'm developing a little RPG game that people can play while I stream. Right now we're working on the menus in the game so that people can change different factors of it, whoever the user is of it, or like myself, trying to make it like change things on it. So we're gonna do this. Text length, we're gonna make this say equal. I'll show the game here in just a moment. Just give me just a second here. We're gonna add a new condition that's going to say this thingy again. Our flag is a flag off. Oh, I'm picking the wrong thing. Hey, what did I do? I'm pretty certain I made that a flag, right? I made that a string. Wow. You'd figure I'd get better at this by now. All right, let's try this again. Add a new condition.
Hi, Gay.
Hi, Molt. How's it going? Flag. Is a flag off? Apply color. Okay, if the color is there. We literally got better since the last stream. I know, I have. I've gotten a whole bunch of stuff. This is some cool stuff. All right, so what we're gonna do, I need to go back up and wherever it is that we find our colors. I think I did layers, didn't I? No, I just applied it to these things, didn't I? Is it up here or is it? It's on these, isn't it? Oh, it's not on those. It's be these. Okay, so it's got to be up here a little bit. Not that. Yeah, it's these. I want to copy these because would you flex your brain for me? Oh my goodness. We're just gonna. Where is it? Set chroma color. What else are we setting RGB coefficient to? Well, is that just those three things? These are screen color. Set text. Oh, that's setting text. Okay. I think I figured it out. The disgust and I'm sorry, it's weird. I didn't understand it. I didn't want to sound so offended, but I was like, ooh. All right, so the game that you're doing is a platform action RPG that runs in the browser. Oh, nice. Okay. The game is hosted on my website. At this time, the keys are not very user-friendly. It's for my own testing. And as I'm testing the UI, the player controller is not very robust. Yeah, I mean, I get that. It's definitely a thing that when you're working on games, you don't always... Oh. Really? Okay. You don't always... It's not always the best at first. Like, when you're testing stuff, it's going to be a little off. Definitely gonna be a little off, but that's okay. You know, that you work through it, you get stuff done. Okay, so we need to change this. Instead of this being this is gonna be get text. I'm just gonna copy this. What are you making your game in? Do you want me to call you Soul or Vampire? What are you programming your game in? I love game dev, and like I love just encouraging and talking to other people about it. It's just incredibly fun. We're gonna do that. And then what we're also going to do is, this is effect. Set RGB coefficient to, oh, it should be the fade cover, right? Where is it? Frick, there it is. Alterable value, chroma color. And then we're going to do the same thing here. Effect, set RGB coefficient to chroma color. What else did we do? You're using a web engine called Melon.js, Melon JavaScript? I wonder if you can DoorDash a giant bag of popcorn from the movie theater. Molly, that's brilliant. Molly, that's hilarious. So we didn't set the RGB coefficient of these. Did we do layers? No, that's right, because that's the whole layer. So this is just, yeah, this is just the, I get it. I know what I'm doing now. Okay, where to go? What am I working on? Okay, and then we're going to, we need to flag set on our apply color flag. Okay, and then what we're gonna do, we need to make another condition here that's gonna say is lower than 6 plus apply color is on. We're going to turn it back off. So that should apply the color now. Wrong Devil Gusher. Gareth. Is this Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles? This is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. Anyway, let's try this out. So if we start entering this, let's change this to 0. Okay. Why is it not working? Hello? You know what it is. I know what it is. I know what happened. I know what happened. It's because I made this box bigger because I wanted to show it off to you guys, and now it's too big for the text to fit in, or it's too small for the text to fit. Stupid. Anyway. Yeah, see how it changed it immediately? So we could go all zeros, and it changes the background color. Or we could do all Fs, and it changes the background color to white. Or we could do Molly's, which is FF00FF. Yay, it's pink. So you can just set it whatever you want on the fly. That's so cool. That was a lovely green. What did I put for the green? I can't actually even remember now. It was it 00? Yeah, there it is. 66CZ00. Hank. This is one of the reasons that I did this music right here, because like I get to jam it out sometimes to music, but there's a delay in the video for me and between the sound that you guys are hearing. So I made it all to the groove now. I can be on time now. 606060. It's gonna be a gray. Anything that has the same two numbers over and over and over again is gonna be gray, because you're essentially taking the same value for R, G, and B. And it's just, if all three values are exactly the same, it just makes it gray. Yeah. So like if we did 600660, that's gonna be a different color. F2B6A9. It's peach. Peach. So yeah. So somebody can basically make their chroma color whatever they want now. And I really love the fact that they can do this. 666999. That's kind of nice gray blue. That's a nice slate blue. I like that one. I like that. That's pretty good. I would use that color. I mean, I don't think I'd use it like for this game on stream. Magenta. It's a nice color. All right, so we made that work. That's exciting. That's very, very exciting. What we need to do though is, let's see here. When somebody activates the box, we need to set off the apply color, right? That way it's going to apply the color right away. It's already doing this essentially at the beginning of the frame anyway, but I just want to turn it off in case. I just don't want there to be any issues. So let's go ahead and turn it off when we do that. Now we need to make it so that the next step of this is we have two factors. We need to finalize editing. So give the person the ability to stop editing by hitting either escape or enter. And fill in any gaps that somebody may have left. And I think we're gonna fill those in with, I think we're gonna fill it in with the 8s. Need to actually finish your food. Let's see here. Loot bars. Loot bars. He's got 200 even. That's nice. Dragonite number 7 in a row. Do you seriously keep getting Dragonites every time? There's no way. There's no fucking way. Apparently the bot just knows that it's Gareth and says Gareth gets all the dragons. All right. Okay. So we're done with this. I'm gonna leave that closed right now. Page 3, chroma color. Let's go ahead and just let's leave it in here. So what we're gonna do here is, I thought I had a flag for this, didn't I? Temp text. Oh wait, yeah. Clicked off. Yeah, we'll activate clicked off is what we're gonna call it. So. Dual fight. I don't have any battles or fights. I don't even know if that's something. The most common chance result is losing to the stupid pop star bars. I need to make more. We don't have song commands anymore. I need to edit that. I used to have song requests on. People could use that. That was one of the things people used the pack dots for all the time. Was people used to, and that's old information too. Man, nobody ever uses that stuff, Molly. I gotta update all this stuff. You're catching me out. I haven't edited that stuff in so long. But yeah, we used to have song requests on the channel, and it used to be a lot of fun. I mean, I had a lot of fun doing that. But ever since Twitch with their whole DMCA shit, you know, I can't really do that anymore. It sucks. Oh, I want to show you, Molly. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my gosh. I just got this at Kroger today. I wasn't going to Kroger for this at all, but I found it at the store, and it was too freaking cute. I couldn't. I had to have it. Let me get this little tag off of here, though. I still can't believe it. I mean, I don't even know what I'm going to do with it. I'm probably going to kill it. We really could never go shopping together. Here's the thing. It was 20 bucks, okay? It's normally 20 bucks. They had it as a Christmas thing, so they had it for 75% off, so I got it for 5 bucks. But look at it. It's a little tiny terrarium in like the shape of like a little ornament thing. Hang on, I'm gonna full screen this. It's like a little, look at the little plant inside, and it's got little tiny pine cones. Look at those little tiny pine cones. What the fuck? Why are they so tiny? It's really cute. And here's the best part. Watch this, watch this, watch this. It lights up. It has little LEDs inside of it. That's so cute. I couldn't resist it. For $5! For $5. I gotta clean the glass because everybody had their grubby hands all over it and the glass feels gross. But for $5, this cute little Christmas scene with this little thingy in there, I don't even know. To be fair, the manufacturer probably doesn't expect those things to live very long. I know, but I want to try to keep it alive. We'll have to see if I can. The problem is that this apartment really does not have good light. But there is a spot to change the battery and everything on there. So I could actually change the battery out. But yeah, it's air plant tip. If it comes out, soak it once a week. That's all. I don't know if it comes out. Do you just remove it? I don't want to remove it. It said on the tag, so I got the little tag here. You can help me with plants because I kill plants so much. It says, display in medium light, mist lightly with water once a week using a spray bottle. Yeah, it says once a week, mist it with a spray bottle. Which I have a spray bottle because we use it to scare Quincy away from things. So I will be doing that. What was I doing here? Let's see here. Activated is on. Let's do add new condition. The keyboard. Upon pressing a key, enter. You can find a ZZ. Those stay alive for a long time, but those can be kind of big. Better to soak them, but misting works too. They're also still kind of cute when they die. So they grow out of little potatoes. They grow out of little potatoes? Out of little potatoes. Out of little potato. I can't. Why do I love little plants like that so much? But I kill them all. That's why I don't have any. That's why I don't have any of them. I kill them. Soaking is bad when there are light bulbs. Yeah, well, if I could take it out of there, I wouldn't mind. But I think the problem is, I think she's right. I think it's, and I don't really have the room to get in here. I don't want to tear it or anything, but it feels like it's glued. It feels like it is most definitely glued in there. There's glue on the plant. So I think it's glued in there. Yeah. It's not budging, it's bringing all of the stuff up with it, so... I mean, it could have just been a fake little plant, you know? Like, it could have just been fake. Why did it have to be real? Why did they have to, like, imprison this plant inside there? Whatever. It is cute, you're right. Flag. Let's set on clicked off. And go alter values. You know, we can just leave that, that's fine. Let's do this as well, but let's make it say escape. Probably pushing escape. And then what we're gonna do here, make a new event. Where's my thing? There it is. Flag is flag on, clicked off. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go flag set off activated. Just turn everything off, honestly. Let's see here. If I can keep parsley alive for more than 2 years, in spite of the new kitten, you can keep this thing alive. I don't know, Extron. I don't know. I literally do. I kill plants. It's bad. Even little succulents I had in the apartment. And the problem is that there's just not any good spots for light in this apartment. Like, no, there's one window and one sliding glass door in this apartment. And, like, the sun, like, our apartment is like this, okay? And north is here, and south is here. So the sun just kind of goes, whoop, it just goes alongside the length of our apartment. So sunlight doesn't really come in because our windows are to the north. Succulents are hard. I thought succulents were supposed to be easy. I've been lied to. Clicked off is. on. Let's get rid of this. I don't actually want that there. Let's do conditions first. Add a new condition. We're gonna say plus can't do that here. I'm gonna have to do compared to general values. This is gonna be get text of that is lower than 6. Nope, that's not what I want. I want, or copy this, length of that. We want the length of the string is lower than 6. So if the length of the string is lower than 6, then what we need to do, I can just reuse something here. Alter values, we're going to set, length difference to, my old apartment had bad natural lighting with windows that face south and west. It's something like a pothos. They're weeds, so as long as they're warm and watered occasionally, they get huge. I have 5, I think. One I stole from the office building. Nice. Set length difference to 6 minus length of our text here. So like for example, if we only have 4 colors, 6 minus 4 is 2. Okay, we need to run it 2 times. And then what we're gonna do is we're going to start a loop. Call this add filler characters. And we'll run this multiple value length difference times. So then what we're going to do here is we're going to go, it should be pretty easy. We're going to say on loop add filler characters. Is that right? Add filler characters. On that, we're essentially just going to go like this. We're going to go, we need alter values. Files, editing. Set text to get text plus 8. Okay, so that should do that. So we're just going to be filling in any additional letters afterwards. That should take care of that. We're going to go down here at the end. And we're going to flags clicked off is on. We're going to set off activated. Flags set off clicked off. Flags set off allowed text and flags set off. Should we just have these things down here? I could probably do that. I could probably actually save myself some time here. Hang on, I could save myself some time. I could save myself some time here. I could actually save myself some values by doing this right. Okay, so we're gonna alter value set text length to be 6. I'm gonna move these Nope. Move these down here below the loop. Right? And then we're going to flags set off by color. Flags set off by color. Okay. Flag set off. I already do that up above, don't we? We do that when we first start this. Yeah, okay, so we set that off, so it does already do that. So we're gonna apply the color. Set all these things off. We need to control, focus, off, and then we are going to direction, select direction to be that way, direction, select direction to be that way, visibility, make the object invisible. How do we activate it again? Activate it is off. Okay, I'm hoping that should work. Right? Let's see if it works. So hit enter. Fuck. I like how instantly I'm like, fuck. And I know exactly why. I knew exactly why the instant I hit it. I knew exactly why the instant I hit it. What happened here is I've got nothing down here that is saying that this... I know what I need to do. Okay. We need to go add a new condition. And we need to say... This is easy. This is easy. Buffer equals 1. Because we're doing that up here, right? Somewhere up here, we are setting the buffer to 1. Are we setting it? Yeah, that doesn't work either. Frick. Okay, hang on, that doesn't work. That doesn't work. We're gonna have to figure something else out here. We're gonna have to figure something else out that's gonna be down here below. I think we'll do it right here. That actually works. Not text. Why do I keep doing that? Where's my frickin'... I'm gonna call it allow end. Let's see here. So yeah, we're just gonna do it all down here. That's fine. So finally we have end set on allow end. Flags set off. Allow end. Okay. So then we're just gonna change this, replace this with is a flag on. No, not flag 5. I knew it was gonna do that. I knew it was gonna do it. Do the same thing here. Okay. So this should hopefully fix that. Still did not fix that. Why? Because allow end is not getting turned on until here. And then we're turning it back off here. So I don't understand why that's not working. We're not turning it on anywhere else. Allow text. Alright, we're gonna have to do something else. I thought I could make it easy. I guess I cannot make it easy. We don't get the end. Sorry guys, tried to give you end. No, you know what? I will give you end. End timer. We'll just call it end timer. There we go. Don't need this one. Okay. So we're going to replace this with alternate values. End timer is equals, we'll say 5. We'll say set down here end timer to be back to 0. What we're gonna have to do is make a new event down here that's gonna say activated is on plus end timer is lower than 5. Going to not launch an object. Add to the end timer 1. Okay. Does this work now? I don't understand why it wouldn't. Oh. Let me make this 30, just to test something out. So it should be half a second now. Why is it accessing enter again? Why is it letting enter be hit again? That doesn't make any sense. To be dramatic, yeah, it sounds like it. I mean, it technically works. Like, if we go here and edit these things, make these 2266, and hit enter, it works, it activates it. And likewise, if we go like this and hit enter, it did not add the other things on there. Why? I know why. It actually did. It did actually do it. See, they're on there. Okay, that's easy. That's an easy fix. That'll fix it. If we delete all these and hit enter, it'll just make it an automatic 8. No, that's the other thing I want to do. I forgot about that. That's the other thing I wanted to do. I want to make it so that you can put it back to its default color by deleting the whole thing. So I want to make it so it'll go back to the default color by deleting everything. We'll get there too. That's fine. But it's nice that that works. I don't understand why. I don't understand why holding the enter button. I don't understand why holding the enter button is doing that. Maybe we do need to make another. I do need to make another flag. Hang on. I just don't like the way this is working. I don't like the way this is working. It's weird. Frustrating. So let's see here. We're gonna go down. We're gonna put this down here below. I don't think I'm gonna need this. We're gonna say flag is flag on. Enter held is on plus keyboard. Repeat while key is pressed. Enter is not being pressed. Then we're going to set off enter held. Place this with flag is a flag off. Enter held. I don't really need it for the other one, I don't think. But let's see if this works. Yeah, that worked. Okay, cool. But hitting escape, okay, there it goes. Escape works. It makes a weird little ding noise whenever you hit escape. That's stupid. But whatever, doesn't matter. Let's see here. So that works. The last thing I want to do is we're going to do this. Clicked off plus. Let's actually put this in here. We'll say is greater than 0. Oh shit. And then we're gonna make another one here that's gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna say length of that equals 0. This should work. What we're gonna do is we don't need to run that. What we're gonna do here though is we're going to... Shit, I did it on the wrong one, didn't I? No. Start loop. Okay, no, we did the right one. We did the right one. I'm just getting myself confused. We want to... What is the default? The default is 00FF00, I think. 00FF00. Okay, yeah. So... Yeah, we're going to go here. We're going to... Editing, set text to 00FF00. And then we are going to do this. Okay, so that should work. So for example, if I go over here now, get rid of 3 of the letters, hit enter, it'll make it all that. If we do 5 letters and hit enter, it makes it all 8s. But if we delete all letters and hit enter, it did it, but not really. What happened? Oh, I didn't set text length to 6. Okay, hang on. Okay. So that should work. Delete everything. It goes to the default. Okay, cool. So that works out well. We should be able to hit escape. Yeah, escape works too. The last thing I need to do with this, there's one last thing I need to do is we need to make it so that if the colors Duke. We need to make it so that replace this with the keyboard. No, mouse. User clicks the left button plus add a new condition. The mouse. Check for mouse pointer over an object. So it should be our chroma box. Is not over the box. Okay, so let's see this here now. If we hit enter, let's just delete almost all the letters and click over here. Okay, cool. That works too. But if we put like 5, 6 in there, let's put AB 2, 3. I think it's the 6 at the beginning. AB 1, 2, 3, 4. That's kind of neat. Okay. And if I click on the box, it's not doing anything, but it says a. It did it anyway. Where is that box? How does that box look? Why is it above? Yeah, why is it above? Okay, is that better now? There we go. Okay, and then the last thing, the very, very, very last thing is to make it so that the player can click on the box. We're gonna say this here. Replace that with the mouse. User clicks on an object. Chroma color button. Oh, I actually don't even need that. So we're gonna do this. And we need to make it so that it turns that direction. Direction, select direction to be that way. So this should make it so that the player can now use this entirely with the mouse click there. Not up here. You can't click on that. You have to click in the box. Okay. That still works, though. And that looks nice. I like the way that looks. I think we did it. The only thing that isn't working properly at the moment is, like I said, it's the fact that you can't see the caret position, which is the little flashing cursor. You can't see the caret position while you're hitting the arrow keys, which really sucks, but apparently that's a bug right now. And I have tried everything I can to figure it out, and it's not working. So, like, I tried little workarounds, like I did with a couple things there. Yeah, and I messaged people actually from ClickTeam, and I was like, yeah, this isn't working. Am I doing something wrong? Is there something I'm not getting? And they're like, no, it's a bug. That shit's a bug. So, I'm hoping that they will fix that, and it will look proper, because it should already be working with how it's programming it. Okay, so we got that. The next thing we need to do is do the same thing, but with the game color box down below, and then we can work on the credits, which is what I want to focus on tonight. If that other part starts getting hard, honestly, it should just be a copy and paste of everything I'm doing here. It really shouldn't be that hard. So I'm probably just going to copy and paste everything I'm doing here. And then, yeah. Oh, you know what? I forgot something. Let me get some water. I'll be right back, guys. There's the Quincy. There's the Quincy. There's that Quincy. Heck yeah, colors! Quancers! I needed a pack while I was away. You did a pack and a hydrate while I was away. Oh, that's so rude. That's so rude. Your pack fact is, I think I talked about this one too, but I'm starting to run out of them, so we're just gonna repeat them. A little Jello cat. A little Jello cat. He's a little Jello baby. Yeah. He's a little Jello cat. Little Jello baby cat. Scratching that booty. Oh, you like the booty scratch. Yeah. You wanna lick my arm because you wanna bite me, don't you? You wanna bite me. I know you do. Your pack fact is going to be that in the original Pac-Man, there are 7 different fruit items, or bonus items, if you want to call them that, since some of them aren't technically fruit. But there is evidence to suggest that there may have been an 8th one originally planned. But they cut it for whatever reason. Oh, no, wait. There are 8 bonus fruits. Hang on. I got that backwards. There are 8 bonus fruits in Pac-Man, but there's only 7 in Miss Pac-Man. Yeah, there are 8. I'm bad. Okay, hang on. You get a. I was thinking that there was another. There was something else planned for the original game. Like I feel like there was another fruit bonus. No, I know what it was. There's only 7 fruit icons displayed at the bottom of the screen, but there was plans for 8 of them to be down there. A pack slip up. Yeah, that's what it was. There were plans for... Basically, they thought they could allow 8 of them to 8 characters down the bottom of the screen, but they don't. And I think they did that because they allowed people to have up to 5 lives. And if you have 5 lives and the 7 bonus sprites down at the bottom, it basically touches. Like, there's no extra room. Okay. So I think we got everything here we wanted. Now what we need to do... Did I move that stuff down? I don't remember moving that down. Actually 2 pixels too much, isn't it? 74? 74? Orange cats are blur and gerb. Yes. I don't know what that means. But yes. Move that down. Okay. So now what we need to do... Okay, I have to clone this object here. And move it to where it needs to be. This one here is at 113, so this one needs to be 113 as well. I actually don't even need that. I don't even need it, but it's got so many values attached to it now that it's like, I don't want to change all the values over. But essentially, it has to be there. Okay. Here comes Quincy. I opened up a soda. He's gonna be here in a moment. No? He always proves me wrong, I swear. Not knowing what blur and gerb means is the essence of what they mean, and thus definitive of Orange Cat. You know what? Absolutely fair. That's absolutely fair. we're gonna put that there too. So this is gonna be, we're gonna change the name of this too. Game color, flashing bar. And this is going to be, I create meaning from nothing. It's a carrot. I spelled that wrong when I was doing that. Okay. So then I need to clone that. We are going to I love that sound effect so much. You play it because I dance every time. I thought about putting in more fart sounds, apparently. I thought about putting in more of the like bit redeems. Did that actually line up perfectly? There's no fucking way. There's no way, right? There's no. It did. Wow, that actually lined up perfect. Is that okay? Okay. I thought about putting in more of them, but it's like, it's one of those things where I don't mind bit redeems here and there. I think some smaller amount ones would be nice and everything. If it's something that's really obstructing, like Linux's Uwu song, then something like that should definitely have a higher price tag on it. Oh, I don't think I showed you. Gareth, if you're here right now, monetize that shit. You know what? I'm not a money hungry person, so I like giving. I'm Gareth. I wanted to show you what I had done. Like we had talked about it before. I think I like this. So if you see here, this is the abyss. If we're doing stuff. If I click the lock button here, it does this at the top of the screen now. So I kind of like that. Molly, stream just paused. So I think I like that. Like, it's just a little flashing message. Nice. A flashing message with two little lock things to the side. And what's the button for defeating enemies? Was it not C? Was it why does that not work? Why does that not work? This one, Toasty Rat. Yeah, he is. I think the message is unobtrusive and useful. How do you feel? I like it. I like the. They're actually the little bracket parentheses, versus actual parentheses. That's cool. Okay, I think if I've got everything here, and it's spot that's supposed to be. Hello, babe. Wow.
Why are you buying shit, Mom?
I don't know what you're talking about. Because they were on sale at Kroger. And your food is in the microwave.
Tell me more about how things are on sale. Don't be buying shit.
Yeah, but Christmas candy's a different story.
Exactly.
I know. I didn't bitch too much at you. I just said we already had one.
Yeah. chat.
Lennox says hi if you guys didn't hear him.
They text you back.
Huh? Yeah, they actually called me today and they said that they talked to the people at the or they talked to the mailman and they've got it at the office. So
Okay, what was the issue?
key didn't work. They gave us the wrong key. They said the mailman even tried and couldn't get it to work anywhere. No, it wasn't us. But if you don't mind, if you can pick it up, it'd be great. Thank you. Otherwise, I can just get it next week. It's not like you, Toad. Cat biter Linux. He do be biting cats. Okay. Hang on. He bites Quincy all the time. No,
You bite him on stream.
not hard. He doesn't bite him hard.
Bite him on stream.
You'd have to show your face to bite him on stream. You would never.
5 gifted subs. No, don't do that.
Ugly emote. No, that emote's amazing.
What email?
The one that Molly always uses. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh yeah, fortune cookies. Yeah, I know. I didn't even eat all mine. I am full. Like I want to eat the rest of it, but I'm stuffed. Yeah, I only ate like half of it.
Thank you for dinner.
5 gifted subs for Linux Quincy bite on stream.
Yep. But I'm not gonna hold my end of the bargain.
You what?
I won't hold my end of the bargain.
You can't do that. If you make that promise and somebody does it, then I'm the liar.
No. I told them no, don't do it. Problem is, right now. What? It's stressing stuff. It makes so much work.
I know.
If I wasn't breaking out, yes.
I have a mustache here. I gotta shave.
Pretty enough for stream,
He says he's not pretty enough for stream.
even though I got my webcam.
I wondered why you put mine on the desk again. We can have Quincy Cam again, guys. Maybe, but probably not because now I have officially used up all my USB slots.
But,
I would have to get it split. Good.
yeah, I'm focused.
You gonna stream tonight? You might be streaming tonight, guys. My fortune says pennies from heaven find their way to your doorstep this year. I don't like that. Quincy Cam is just regular cam. Yeah, I'm not gonna rely on pennies raining down from heaven. Okay, so we need to make a clone of this. And this one's gonna be called Gamed Color Edit Box. Alright, before I go any farther, I really want to... I need to make sure... Not Little Misfortune though, fuck her. Or bless her, yeah, she's great. Can't heaven just rain $20 bill. Yeah, not pennies. I'm not gonna sit here and get like thrown pennies at by heaven. That sounds awful. Check Molly's DMs. Alright, let me go see here. The walls are watching. What? No. That's really your fortune? The walls are watching. I don't know what to do with that information. Why can't I ever get any? I threw the rest of them away. Molly, you should have kept that shit. Those would be amazing. Oh my gosh. If we don't hit, did you just have Chinese food today? You did not. Tooch Fruman show for me. Oh, yesterday? Okay. I'm gonna do a quick run of the game. Because that thing right there kind of bothered me. I don't know what was going on. Impose not a burden on others which you cannot bear yourself. Why can't the walls watch me? Sure, Gene. Some boring shit have pressed right. Yeah, I know. I hate that stuff. Game data. Next in line. Go ahead and just... I want to make sure the game's working. I feel like that is really bothering. And look, I should be able to go over here. No, I'm not gonna do it. Fuck. I fucked it up. Okay, well, everything seems to be working here. Okay, so we got everything working. That's fine. For some reason, I was just really worried. Mushroom Man's your favorite. We just made him on a whim, Molly. Like, there was literally one stream one night where I was just like, I want to make a little mushroom enemy, and I just drew him out of nowhere, and it was really cute. And I think Exatron came up with the name Shroomling. So you can thank Exatron for the name of it. But it's very cute. Yes, Donnie. Yes, Donnie. Yeah, Exatron named it. But I love the Shroomling. It's very, very cute. All right, there's one other thing we've got to do here real quick. I forgot about this. Oh. We're going to go up to the thingy here first of all. While I'm pressing escape, we're making all these things disappear, right? These are the cursors, okay. I need to go visibility, make object invisible, 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 invisible. And then we need to make this text invisible too. Is it right here? Chroma color and game color text. Okay. Visibility make object invisible. Dang. Yeah, you're in the pinky range. Alright, so switching pages. We basically just need to go down here to page 3. And hitting right or left arrows. Make invisible. Make invisible. And then we also need to make all these other things invisible. Okay. And then finishing pages. So when this page comes up, we're gonna make both of those reappear, even though I don't need them. Technically need them to be there. The rank was just a fun thing I added in. It's not even for anything. It's literally just there. I think was it followage? Followage doesn't work. No, there is a command. You have to type in give, then the person, and then the number that you want to give. So, yeah, I think you can just do like a give. Yeah, like that. Okay, so we should be able to... This is gonna look like a mess on there. Okay, I'm actually going to change this because I'm tired of it looking like this. Get rid of that, get back to our normal one. We have this... Don't. I kept it. Didn't keep it? I have that stuff. It's fine, it's fine. Cancel, yes, cancel. It's fine. I want to have it as a reference here, you know. I want to have it, so I have it there. I don't want to just like not have it. It seems weird. I don't know. I want it. Anyway. Okay, so what I need to do here is get rid of these on each of these things. And we need to make a noise as well for when you finish text. Like when you hit enter, we need to make a noise. Right? Because I don't want...
I really like cones.
You gave away all your dots? No, Molly, you gave away all your dots? Molly. Oh my god, you guys. Attack. Yeah, they're literally just a metric. Like, just for stuff. Like I said, we used to use them in stream. We used to use them for song requests, and we used to use them for like giveaways and stuff. And I still use them for giveaways. If I ever do giveaways, you have to actually use like 100 or 500 pack dots to enter the giveaway. And it's mainly just to stop people who like would come into the stream and have never been here before and just would come into the stream just to enter for the giveaway. So I want it to be more applicable for people who've been here longer. Is it following or is it not? Rank, next rank. Following. See how long you've been following the channel. See, I didn't actually program that in. That should just work. Let me see here. Commands. Okay, I may have to change the following command. It used to work, but I guess it doesn't anymore. Yeah, I just don't do it. I am not using the Turtle Beach Air Force headset anymore. That's also not accurate either. Oh my god, I need to go back. You guys are exposing my laziness, okay? You guys are exposing me. You guys are exposing all of my old information. I need to go and fix it. I'm gonna have to go do that now off stream. I'm gonna have to fix all the information. No, I need to do that anyway. Definitely.
Emotional damage.
Not my laziness. Not exposing me. We're gonna play a sound here. volume adjust to? Okay. I wish I could make it so that the internoises would that work? Would that work? Oh my gosh. Right. Those have to be up front. That looks so much cleaner. Oh my god. Where's my... There it is. Yeah, having a wireless headset is very, very nice. Okay, let's see here. When are we setting this text? The altable string to edit text. And we're setting the edit text. Editing. I'm just gonna copy that over there. This is going to be chroma color string from fade color, but we need string, screen color string. And then we're going to edit text. This is going to be I love the V soundtrack. Oh my gosh. Sunday.
Seriously, it's Sunday.
Yeah, New Year's Day.
Yeah, sure not.
I know. But that's what I was talking to you about before. Remember, I was saying that, you know, we usually get Christmas Day and New Year's Day off, so I don't have to worry too much about.
Which day after day?
Thursday, I think. Yeah, I think I get Thursday, Friday off. Possibly. I think it's either Wednesday, Thursday, or Thursday, Friday. I'm pretty certain Wednesday or Thursday is one of them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Don't worry. That's what I was looking for the other day.
What? Oh, the rolls. Yeah. The V soundtrack makes me feel emotional. I like the V soundtrack. It's very fun. I screwed them up. Taxes, I haven't exactly been required to do taxes for a while. I still have, though. It would get me even a little bit. I screwed mine up last. I did that 1 year, Molly. I can't even remember where I was working. I think it was the first year I worked at GameStop, and I fucked up my W-2 or whatever it was that they make you fill out. I messed it up, and they didn't take out enough taxes, and I had to pay more back in. I get Christmas Eve, Christmas Day, and New Year's Day off, or the closest weekdays to those days off each year. That's nice. That's very nice. Especially the closest weekdays. That's really nice. Okay. We're going to get to the next thing of tech, or yeah, we're going to get to this next part here. But what I want to do, what I actually really want to do is change all these events. What I really want to do is I want to play Genshin for a moment. As horrible as that sounds, I want to play Genshin for a moment because I want to try to... Rod was talking about the Spiral Abyss and trying to get through... the different tiers of the Spiral Abyss, and I was like, you know what? I've never really tried that hard to get through this thing. I kind of want to try it now. And I know he's not here anymore to cheer me on. but I do want to return to dev. Yes, I do want to get back to doing dev. So I'm gonna do a quick, probably gonna do like a quick maybe 10-15 on Genshin, and then come back to game dev because I want to get this other thing done. So I have to run this as administrator, as weird as it sounds, in order for it to work. Albedo backer. I love Albedo! Albedo's great. Set an alarm. You know what? That's probably a wise idea. Is it gonna work? Genshin's really weird. Genshin's really weird in that it doesn't like to capture. It doesn't like to capture sometimes. Yeah, it doesn't like to capture, which is, I forget how to do it. Oh, I know what it is. I need to run, it's not run Genshin as administrator. I need to run OBS as administrator. So since I messed that up, we're not gonna worry about that. I'm gonna turn this music off though, for the moment. We're gonna play Genshin, but like Genshin has this weird thing where anytime you click off of it, it minimizes it. I don't know why it does that. It's the weirdest thing. Yeah, we're just capturing screen right now. We're just gonna capture the screen. Let me do a couple things here real quick. Do that. Should I even change the... I'm not even gonna change the thing. We got new notices? What do we got? Event survey. Bitch, we got a survey. For 30,000 Mora. Wow. 30,000 whole Mora. That's crazy, you guys. It's crazy. It's money. Free monies. Alright. I can earn some stars. I don't even know what the thing is this round. What are you trying to tell me? Stop. I already have everything. Okay, Blessing at Terminal Moon. After the active character's normal charge or plunging attack deals damage to an opponent, the character will gain a 10% corresponding element or physical damage bonus of that attack for 4 seconds. This effect can be triggered once every 1 second, max 6 stacks. It will be removed when the character leaves the field or deals a different type of elemental or physical damage. I don't know if I like that. That's weird. So you can... How are you supposed to get 6 stacks if it lasts for 4 seconds and only can be triggered once every 1 second? Wouldn't that be a max of 4 stacks? How is it possible to get 6? It reapplies. Interesting. That noise. Okay, can we talk about that noise? That noise is so satisfying for no reason. I don't even know what... It sounds like somebody puts a little bit of static in my ear. It sounds like a goopy static. Like, how is that possible? Every time I hear that noise, it's weird. Can you guys hear it okay? Or is it too loud or too quiet? Goopy static. Alright, what do we got? Chamber 1. Is these weird little mushroom boy things. Okay, second half is Eremites. Chamber 2 is a bunch of hilly churls. Electros. Okay, not really worried. I'm worried about the Hydro Bismage and the Dendro. So I need fire and ice there? No. Electro. Electro would work better there. Okay, Electro. And then just stuff here. So basically all I need is Electro for the second half. Okay. Damage dealt by explosions of dendro cores produced by characters' bloom reactions increased by 125%. Damage dealt by burgeon and hyper bloom. The problem is I don't have anybody that's really dendro except for Nahida. So I want to get I feel like I'm gonna need some healing or something. Probably take Bennett. That's fine. Team 2, we're gonna go with our Geo boys with these two. Okay, we should be good. We should be able to eat this pretty easy. When character's HP is greater than 40, defense plus 40. Hell yeah, we'll take that. I love the reflective floor. It's so pretty. This area is so pretty. This one's really annoying because all these little fuckers are just all over the place, and I need to get out of here.
Yahoo! Think you can get away?
I did not mean to do that. My finger slipped and hit that button. Those things are so dead. I missed it entirely. I hate these things. Look, why are they all the way on the other sides of the arena? Ow.
I'm going in.
Ow.
Wouldn't gliding be faster? Here we go. Time for
I'm
takeoff.
actually sick of these bitches. Get fucking sucked up.
Tidal wave.
I don't know anything about these mushroom things.
Time for retribution.
Let's light it up. How rude.
No, I couldn't move. I got frozen.
Think you can get away?
I am actually sick of you guys. I'm so sick of you guys right now. I thought the game was turn-based. No, it's definitely a fun, like, action combat game.
Following orders.
A new puncher.
Need witness my great undertaking. Where do you think you're going?
I don't even need anybody else. All I need is these two. But it's fun to have other people.
I'll be back.
We're way
I'll
behind.
be back.
Happy to oblige. For Rex Lapis.
Solidify.
I really need to learn how to better utilize the other people on the other team. Because, like, this team is the team that I typically use. So I'm a lot better with these people.
Moment of birth. Gather. This is order.
Born of ice and frost.
Fix up your sleeve. You want
He
this?
said, oh, I was like, where's the last person?
I'll be back.
Bye, Razor. Have fun. Have fun. Bye, boy. Anyway. Defeating an opponent gives a 50% chance to end current elemental skill cooldown. Can only occur once every 20 seconds. Yeah, I don't like these other ones. I'm gonna go with that one. That's fine. What's this? Hey, I'll take that. Wow, that leveled me up twice. Holy shit, that was worth it. They have a battle pass in Genshin too. I'm actually like not super happy with it, but it's not like terrible. It's just like
Amateur mistake. No touch. Brace yourself. This is gonna hurt.
Let's play. Brace yourself. Time for takeoff. Teamwork is dreamwork. Here we go.
you fucker. How many more do we have? Oh my god.
No touch.
Brace yourself. Think you can get away?
You're mine. Shouldn't let your guard down. Bring it on.
Yahoo! Time for takeoff.
Man, one of them hit it with water. That worked. So you just switch between each of your allies one by one, or Kingdom Hearts 50-50 with only one person on screen at a time. Correct. Yeah, you have a team of 4 people, and every character has an elemental affiliation. So like Zhongli here is Earth/Geo is what they call it in the game. Razor here, I can't even pick him right now because I haven't started, but Razor is Electro, Ganyu is Ice. So every character has an elemental affiliation, and you can mix elements together to make reactions that do more damage or cause certain things to happen. Like if somebody's affected with hydro or water and you hit them with ice, of course they're gonna freeze and they get frozen in place for a bit. So everything has certain reactions that they do.
Stabilize.
There was something here that I was afraid of. What was it?
Order guide you.
No touching. All hail.
Probably saved that. What? Oh, I was like, oh, it's because these guys. That's why.
Solidify. Burst forth. Feel this ancient power.
I mean, out of the bubble. I hate these fuckers and their stupid bubbles. Let me out of the bubbles, fuckers.
Hi, guys.
Hi, Foxen. How's it going?
Gather. I will
Yeah,
have
get back
order.
over here.
Live.
Born of ice and frost. Hi, Jay.
Oh, Okay, there we go. Fever's about to go lay down and shower. Okay, yeah, get to feeling better, Molly. Alright, so we beat character's HP is less than 50% attacks plus 60 instant restore. I think I want to go with this. Not that I think I'll even need that, especially with Bennett on the team, but...
Verdict is...
Here we go. Yeah.
I didn't mean to switch to him. That's what I wanted to switch to. Bear says hi even though he's about to go to bed. That's cool.
Get out of here.
I hope you guys are having a wonderful evening. Why am I way over here? What are you doing way over here? Just all by yourself, you little poop. Please, perish. Thank you.
Think you can get away?
Stop. Oh, that was easy. Okay.
You are not well solidified. Burst forth. Witness my great undertaking.
Oh.
No touching.
My patience.
This is long overdue.
Gotcha. Stabilize. Order guide you.
That was a nice ending. Oh no, I don't. That's fine. I don't want to do this. I want to see what the next waves are. What'd you get? What'd your fortune say? Listen these next few days to your friends to find the answers you seek.
What are the lottery numbers for tomorrow?
No, that's listening. That's not. That's asking.
If I ask them a question,
You gotta
and then
listen.
listen to their answer.
Nope, you gotta listen. I'm developing this game now, right? I know I didn't change the game. I was just gonna taking a quick break. I wanted to do a couple rounds.
Scam.
He's a baby. Gosh.
I'm giving him ear love.
Baptismal Bishop. The numbers.
Guess what comes tomorrow?
What comes tomorrow?
A CPU.
Oh, cool. That should be fun.
I have time before work. Do it. If not,
These are all electro. All right, so I have to take.
what time is Ozzy stuff?
I don't know. He never got back to me. So we might not be going. Yeah. Okay. So second half, we definitely need to have Nahida in here. Since it's big guys, I'll probably take. I think I had two.
I really like cone.
Bing. I had too many. I don't mind having Venti, but I think Venti and D-Luke work well together. Same thing with having Ganyu. That's I definitely want to have these two here and then have Razor. I think is what I'm gonna do there. So I guess Bennett and Ganyu. I'm gonna have two bow users again on a team, but it should be fine. All right, this is the last one I'm gonna do, and then we'll go back to the game dev. Character defense minus 15, but attack plus 40. Defeating an opponent instantly restores 8% of the current of HP for the current character. That's not bad. Do I need that really? Part of me kind of wants to take this instead because attack plus 40 would be nice. 40% attack? Yeah, we can do it. Let's chance it. Let's go. I hate these little fucking mushrooms. Because they're always so spread out. Stop.
Time for takeoff.
I swear to God, he turned around the wrong way. I knew he was going to.
Time for retribution.
Let's play. Yahoo!
Get off me. I knew he was going to do that.
Burn.
Brace yourself. Think you can get away?
You watched a friend play. Like, it's one of those games that you get more into, like, when you actually play it yourself. Like, there's so much to do in this game. I still stand by it, like, in my opinion... Wait, where's the last... Here, over
Wouldn't
here.
gliding be faster?
Why are you
Brace
way over
yourself.
here? What are you doing? There's so much to do in Genshin. Like, you can literally play this game for just weeks and not even scratch the surface of everything there is to do in this game. Which is something I really, really love about it, but also something I hate about it. Like, I've been trying for the past, like, 2 months to catch up in the story, and I keep getting distracted with everything else going on. Makes it hard to play. I did not mean that. Oops.
Solidify. Come into being. Feel this ancient power.
Hey,
Gather. This is order.
everyone hold hands.
Stabilize. Burst forth. Witness my great undertaking. Gather.
You guys stop that shit. You're
Order
annoying.
guide you.
Hey, share my knowledge.
Come into being. Moments of birth.
You moved out of it.
Stabilize.
That'll work. Just wish upon a gacha, and there you go. See, that's the thing, though. Well, that's the thing, is that, like, a lot of people think that this game is simply a gacha game, and I've talked about it before a lot of times, is that this game is... I'm gonna go with that, too. Honestly, like, if you get a team of characters that are good, you don't even have anything to do with the gacha anymore. You can just not gacha anymore. Like, I really have no need to pull for anybody in the gacha ever again. I do because I like characters sometimes and because it's fun to do so, but it's not anything that I need to do. So you can actually, in my opinion, play this game entirely free to play and still be able to enjoy it a whole bunch. It's one of those few games that I would actually say that to. Oh my god.
Get out of here! Everybody stand back! Brace yourself. Access denied. For Rex Lapis.
Taste my blade. Retribution.
Let's play. Think you can get away?
Oh my god. He's gonna kick my ass.
Born of ice and frost.
No, he healed. Oh my god.
We're way behind schedule.
Oh my god.
Fix this. Teamwork is dreamwork. Yahoo!
Oh, come on. I moved out of that.
This isn't over. Burn. I'm ready.
Brace yourselves.
Okay, this bitch over here needs to go away.
Yeah.
I'll be back. I've got your plan. Fall before me. Ha!
Yahoo!
My god. Knock it off. I just don't like the character writing when it comes to looks aesthetic. See, I feel like the exact opposite. I mean, other than their faces, I feel like the characters actually are incredibly varied in this game. Oh, hi, buddy.
I see everything.
Gather.
I didn't realize this other dude was behind over here. Where the fuck do you even go?
Hey.
Stabilize. Live.
This guy needs to go away.
I will have order.
He needs to go. I don't like him at all. Goodbye.
Come into being. Ha! Witness my great undertaking.
Oh no, bye! Bye, Nahida. Alright, well, yeah, their model skeletons are very, very similar, but the characters themselves, like in their personalities and their design, their clothing designs and stuff, I feel like are all super unique. And their personalities are really, really, really good too. I know it doesn't seem like it, especially there, but when you actually play the game and you get into the storylines and stuff, the character stories
Brace
are
yourself.
just phenomenal.
Time for takeoff.
It isn't time for a break yet.
Are you kidding me?
I'm going in.
I'm now you're testing my patience.
Here we go.
I want to kill this guy. Leave me alone. Let me kill him.
No touching. All hail.
Get out of here.
Think you can get away? Access denied.
What is making the bubble still?
We're way behind schedule.
Pull their eyes. This was well done.
Let's play. For Rex Lapis. Yahoo!
This guy has so much health. Can he please go away?
Let's play.
Why did you go for that guy?
This was well done.
Time for takeoff.
Just get out of here, please.
Yahoo!
You need to hurry up. Roast it.
Almost done. Everybody stand.
Up. This is just like a challenging thing too, by the way, Foxen. This is a basically just a combat challenge. The game itself is mostly kind of like the old like Jack and Daxter's, Banjo-Kazooie, stuff like that. Like it's a big just open world exploration game. It didn't revive Nahida.
Osmanthus wine tastes the same as I.
All right, that's not cool.
Burst forth. Feel this ancient power.
Blink. Gotcha.
Order.
Can I please hit the wrong buttons?
You can find might amuse me.
Gather.
Shut the fuck up.
Majesty's over here.
Come into being.
I hate those things.
Blink.
Let me out.
Over here. The merrier. Got me worked up.
Crumble.
This is why, like, I don't know if I could beat 12. Oh my god, I went up in the air. I went up in the fucking air.
Burst forth. Moments
I don't know if I could beat floor 12.
Seems my research.
Oh!
is over.
Okay, you know what? We're struggling a little bit here.
I will have order.
Got those bitches do that shit.
Gather.
Where'd you go?
Out of my sight.
Oh, it's just Razor and Zhongli now.
Over here. Blink.
Stabilize.
Fuckers, let me out. I'm tired of this bitch.
This is order.
Can you please go away? Oh, I didn't get the last one. No. I miss Banjo because me too. Yeah, see that was a lot tougher. That was just floor 10. Like I don't even know what floor 11 and 12 would be like. I do not have the characters and the artifacts and everything. Well, I have the characters. I just don't have them all leveled up, and I don't have artifacts for all of them. Man, 50 Primo Gems for getting that 3rd star. Ugh. I might try to play it again later. Whatever. I wanted to do some of it. Yeah, there's no way I can do there's no way I can do all the other floors. Not right now anyway. I'd have to really grind and get my characters all leveled up and stuff. The later floors of the Abyss get pretty hard. That's why it's frustrating, because there are people who, I mean, they play this all the time. So they're all like, oh, floor 12 is easy. You know, it's like, there's no challenge to it and stuff. And I'm like, yeah, if you've put a really good amount of time into the game, sure, I guess that's true. But for people who play kind of casually, like, floor 12 is not super easy. Like, what did I get? Oh, I forget you get these things too. I have a key. Ooh. These just give you artifacts. Oh, okay, I'll take that. Okay, I'll take that. I don't know what that does, but sure, I'll take it. Yeah, Banjo, if you, the Players Compacting Challenge likely play this as their only game, yeah. So that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to do a couple levels of that, and we're gonna get back to game dev. Yeah, so Foxen, for Banjo-Kazooie, you can play it actually in upscaled, I think 60 frames per second too. You can play it in upscaled on your N64 or on your Switch. If you subscribe, like it's like there was a Nintendo Switch expansion pack. So you have to pay an additional $30 a year, but you get access to, you know how you have like the NES online and then the the SNES online service. If you do the expansion pack, you get Genesis and you get N64 games that you can play. So it's pretty cool. NSO sub, yeah. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. I'm actually excited about that. I think it's neat. Another thing I want to do, it's so funny, on my drive home tonight, I was listening to the Final Fantasy VI soundtrack. I really want to play that game again. I know I've got all these other games I need to finish. But man, Final Fantasy VI is such a good game. Okay, so. I'm just going to copy all of this stuff here. I'm going to copy it all, and we're basically going to... We're basically just going to redo everything to what we need them to do, or to what we need these to be. Looks with left button on. This should be the game color button. Okay, I'm gonna change these. Instead of this being color activated, this should be this one. Okay. I don't want to delete any of those things yet. What else are we doing here? Flag 0. Why are we setting the flag 0 cursor? I don't think I need that on at all. Game speed cursor. No. That's just leftover code from the last one. I don't need that. Set buffer. Change that to that. Okay, we got rid of that. Make the sound. We're doing the sound, that's fine. Game color, game color, game color, game color, game color. Okay. That stuff is all good. What I'm going to do here is copy that over there. That one to there. And then the reason I'm keeping all these the way it is because I want to get the order correct. Anything else here? That's literally it. Okay, we'll leave buffer there. We'll do that. So for these... Okay, so enter held, apply color. There, the directions reappear. Activated on, set caret, focus there. The rest of those don't really matter. Okay, so let's just delete all of this stuff. It's activated is on for the game color bar. Okay, so we can just delete everything all the way down to... Just to make sure they're the same thing. Set focus on, set caret position. Okay, so I just need to clear everything down to... What am I doing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Wait. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, yeah, that's fine. So we just have to delete these all the way down to enter held. There we go. You know, instead of just doing these again, I think what I'm going to do here is delete these. and then make this one left, make this one right. That's what I did up here too, right? Right and then left, whatever, it doesn't fucking matter. But I'm picky, so I'm gonna do that. And then this one, I'm gonna delete this too. But we're just gonna make this be, replace that with mouse, user clicks on an object. Game color button. We don't need this to be facing that direction because we will just manually do that. We're gonna go direction, select direction to be this way. I'm hoping I get this all right the first time, but I'm probably gonna fuck something up. I know myself well enough by now. I know that I know I will fuck something up. Okay, and then everything else is down here. So we need to change this and all of this. Chroma. See, this has to change. This has to be game. Let's change all of the events first of all. Length of the game color text. Okay. Will I play more Pokemon Scarlet on stream? I mean, if you guys want, I'd be happy to do that. Oh, I gotta change this. You can't leave that being that. Let's do check aloud text 2. Oh shoot. What did I do? Fuck. Format. Yeah, I shouldn't really be working on that. Text difference. Like I was planning on streaming this Saturday, but the more I think about it, the more I don't know what my plans are at the moment. So I don't want to make any promises on it. I mean, I know I break my promises all the time on that kind of stuff. So I will probably play some more Pokemon Scarlet here upcoming. Check aloud text, this should be 2. Okay. Placing carrot cursor 2. Let's rename this. Placing not cursor, color. I did it here too. I'm gonna go back up here. Text box activation. This should be edit this will be chroma color, text box activation, and then edit this in placing chroma color. I really just spelled it wrong everywhere. Need to get back into playing Pokemon Scarlet now that you mention it. Yeah, I mean, it is a fun game. It's fantastic, actually. I'm gonna change this from check aloud text to check chroma text. check chroma text. There we go. We're gonna go back down to game color text box activation. So we check color text. I think that sounds nicer. Color shouldn't it be game? Check game text. Joey and I have been plotting Pokemon to take down the new Cinderace. Nice. Very nice, very nice. Alright, let's do that. So this is all our game color thing, right? Game color flashing bar, game color flashing bar. Okay. This is still chroma. I think I tried to do these and this didn't work. Honestly, we can just kind of get rid of these. They're not even working. See, this one I did this one fine. Set game caret say. I named it wrong here too. Oh my gosh. Whatever. I mean, it doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter, but I'm still gonna fix it. I love how I always say, it doesn't matter. And then I go and fix it anyway. Because honestly, it's not that big of a deal to fix. It's pretty easy. Like, look, see, there it is. I have to change that one too. Which is fine, because we're done with this one. So we can just do this one. Count. I don't know why, like, I really just got it in my head today that it was C-A-R-A-T. Game caret, count caret. Okay. All right, let me go back up and fix the stuff up here. Which again is not that big of a deal. Oh no, I didn't mean to delete it. Chroma, chroma, chroma. Count, yeah. Have to make sure this all works. Afterwards, I'm changing all the spellings and everything. I was not thinking ahead of time when I was doing this. I was not thinking ahead when I was doing these. Count chroma. Count chroma. I named it wrong here too. Whatever, it doesn't. I can fix that easy. That is, if I can fix it easy. Can I fix it? Yeah, you can just rename these. I really don't know why I'm like actually working about this so much. Like, I spelled it right up here, which is the weird thing to me. I actually spelled it right before. But then I get down here and I don't spell it right. How's that work? Is that all I needed to fix? I think, right? Yeah. I'm gonna save this real quick. Okay, so I'm actually going to make a new group of events. We're gonna name this. I don't need that anymore, but we're going to take all of this stuff. Oh. What? Oh. And we're just gonna move this up into here. Because the way it is right now is kind of frustrating. We're gonna do the same thing up here too. Yeah, we're gonna do insert a new group of events. Delete that. Grab all this, move this up into here. There we go. Now that looks cleaner. It looks so gross to me. I was having a hard time with it. All right. Okay. This needs to be the other one. Same color flashing bar. Shit. Like, this is one of these things that I love about ClickTeam Fusion. Is it doesn't look like I'm doing much, but I'm actually just like dragging these things onto these different things and changing which object it's using, which I think is wonderful. That's an easier way in my mind to do things than with pure. Yeah, so that's one of the things I really, really like is the fact that, like, this one and these objects, even though they look like the same, like I used to do this all the time with my Pac-Man game, for example. Like the little icons, you can just click and drag them over to something else, like if you want it to be different. So like I could take like all of Blinky's events, copy and paste them, and then drag Pinky's icon on top of all of the Blinky icons, and it would just make it work with Pinky instead. And it's just, I think that's really cool. Now all this stuff in the middle, all the actual events, I'm gonna have to actually, I'm actually gonna have to change that stuff. Add game filler characters. Nope. That's a little harder. Okay. Actually, I can go back up here. Hello, thank you so much for the follow. I think. Circa 1017. My name is Baby George Floyd. Nice to meet you. Okay. Nice to meet you as well. Let's see here. I'm working on the chroma color. I wanted to go back up here and change our check chroma text. I love it when we get two people that come into the chat and have follow at the exact same time and then are like, nice to meet you to each other. Thank you, Molt. I was about to do the same. Like, it doesn't make any sense. What do you think that people are going to think when you're doing stuff like that? Like, of course you came in together. Of course you came in together. Like, you both follow at the exact same time. Like, if you wanted to make it a fun game and really fuck with somebody, you could have somebody follow and then an hour later have the other person follow. And then, yeah, the racism was definitely a big key, especially when it's the George Floyd thing. But then, like, make one, like, and then an hour later have the other person follow. Like, it's weird how people that do shitty things do it really stupidly, you know? Like, it's so weird to me. Like, if you really want, I guess people don't, is that an argument for people not really being truly evil and just being trolls? Like, people who do dumb things kind of do things stupidly because they don't think things through. I don't know. Hi, Kiwa! Your sub did
Borsk,
rank.
scream, Borsk, scream, Borsk, scream.
Totally is usually a symptom of insecurity. Yeah, right. But yeah, that's the thing that's just kind of like weird to me. It's like, I don't know, if I was gonna do that, set chroma carrot. What were we doing? It wasn't this. It was add. This is what I want to do. This is the thing I wanted to do. Add chroma filler characters. This one here is going to be chroma filler characters. Trolls were small PP energy. Wow. Just like someone else we know from Twitter today. I'm gonna save this real quick. Okay, so I think that should be all I need to change on this. I am, oh boy, get myself all. But I will say the one thing about the troll though, they came in and he said, "Are you a fake software engineer or something?" So I mean, they actually were like looking at the stream stuff. I mean, that's kind of cool at least. They're not like, I'm hot. They weren't just saying like random ass shit. They were actually saying something that was relevant to the stream. So either it was a real person or it was a bot that literally just looked at the category, and that'd be kind of weird. Oh, just a couple people that came in and just kind of trolled a little bit and then got banned immediately. Name, color, these are all that stuff. These things down here. Okay, so I think we got all of this stuff done. Now we need to go back. Yeah, Molt yeeted them. Yeeted them right out. That's what they deserve. Okay, so yeah, this is where it starts getting a little bit more complicated. We gotta move all this stuff. I think that's all this is, right? Okay, so these ones are easy. So we're just going to get rid of all the events for this stuff. There we go. And then this one, I think there's more stuff down here, right? Yeah, set focus on. Shoot, I didn't mean to do that. Okay, so what order are these in? The exact order they're supposed to be. Okay, cool. Can get rid of that. And then this one here is... Crushed Game, thank you for the follow. So we're putting that thing at the end. Check game text would be at the end. Okay, that's really the only difference since these other three can go away, right? Except this has to be... Both of these have to change. This has to be game, color edit box, and game there too. Okay, so these are both right now. Game, game, game. Let's start with check game text. Game flashing bar times. That's great. Saving this. Okay, so that stuff should all be good. Check game text. These are all correct as well. Yeah, this is where it starts getting a little bit bleh. I have to make sure I do these in the right order. Okay, so move this down here. Game, 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 game. These are all the game ones. Okay. Hello to you. Let's see here. I think all these should be fine then, so we should be able to delete this stuff here. I hope I can. I hope I can. Chroma, game, game. Fine. Buffer down here. Text length, care position. These should be the game, not chroma. We should be able to get rid of both of those. Alright, and let's see here. This is the part where it's a little weird. So that needs to be at the bottom. Game color text set to chroma. We need this to not be the chroma. Game, game, game. Game color set all full string edit text. Set text to the left. This is really like, I'm literally just we are hoping and praying that when I finish with all this, it's gonna work. That's all I gotta say. That is all I gotta say. I think it should. I think it should work. Okay. Start set game caret, set game caret, just these. Game color text, okay. See, that's not right. Okay, that's right. We have to go over here. There's nothing else here, right? Okay, for these, there's nothing else here. We just have to go over here. wonder if I should put... I forgot to do it. I'm going to have to test something out here. I wonder if I'm going to have to put... the Y position here. Anything else here I need to do? No, that's all self-contained. Kind of did sound a little bit, didn't it? Oh. Already set, okay. So what we need here. Whoop. Count. Game carrot, is that right? Is that a loop index? Count game carrot. And that's what we're doing here, right? Okay, cool. And that's our right one, yes. I think this one here, if it's not that, that's right, we just did that. Okay, and then this final one. Okay, looks like everything's in the right order. So that's nice. And we're gonna just do that. I think we should be able to get rid of all of these. We're making our way. And then finally, I don't think we have anything too big here, do we? No, okay, it's all set down there. Did I not change the name of that? Add again. Yeah, I didn't change the name of that. Add game filler characters. I changed one up here, right? Add chroma filler characters. Okay, I did. Oh. Okay. All I need to do here. Need to do that here. The same thing here. That's easy. But this, it's a game color button. Okay. So what did I do here? This needs to go in between these. Okay, these ones I didn't copy these events from. They have events that are over here. There we go. Okay, so text like the 6 goes to the top. That actually shouldn't be that. This should be, for its default, should be all Fs. There we go. Oh, no, that's Gamma. Game. Not Gamma. Gamma. Those. Okay, what are we doing here? Okay. 8. I think I'm actually going to change this one to F. Anything you don't have in here should be just converted to F. I think would work out best. Because you want it to be as light as possible, so I think that would be better anyway. Okay, so here's where it gets a little bit difficult then. Wait, what is this? Oh, okay, we're not doing that. I'm actually gonna, it's not super difficult, but I'm actually going to go up here to the top. We have a point where we actually edit the layers. It's right here. And that's really all we do with these, right? Screen colors. Yeah, that's all we did with the screen colors. So I'm gonna just go ahead and copy this. Makes my job a little bit easier. Okay, I don't need that anymore, I don't think. I'm gonna keep it there for just a moment, but we're gonna deactivate it, so I know I need to delete it. Set apply color on. What else are we doing here? I know we're doing other things. See, I still needed it. Set screen color. Set screen color to do that. And this needs to be get text. Here, that will get your hydrate in just a moment here. Does that work? Theme color box, theme color box. These are all okay. Okay. What? Timer. Not really worrying about that too much, are we? I mean, I guess we are. All this other stuff is stuff that wait. Oh, I didn't do that either. Set focus off. Okay, so set activated, clicked off, allowed text. Set focus off. Set direction of that, set direction of that. Make it visible, set end timer. I'll move that down to the bottom. I don't even need that end timer anymore. I don't even need it. Okay. I think we may be done. Let's see. Let's do a hydrate first. And we're gonna see if I got it right and if I didn't fuck everything up. Let's see. I bet something probably is gonna go wrong right away. Okay, let's make sure this still works. We can delete characters. We can not type in W's. Type in, well, E's still work, Q's don't work, R's don't work, but 1, 2, 3 works. And it changes the color immediately. Change it to an F. Change this to FF. Changes that pretty good. And if we hit enter, it does default values. Okay, hitting down. Okay. Okay, hitting enter does that. Shit. Why did that happen? So it mostly works. I don't know why that happened. Does that happen up here? Okay, hang on. Something's going on here. Something to do with the hitting the escape key. Enter hell is off. Otherwise, everything is working fine. How does he escape? That's weird. What the fuck? Because you can't see. Stream is stuttered a bit, but it's fine at the moment. Okay. It might be internet. I think it's Linux streaming too right now. Did he start streaming? I think he did. If he's streaming at the same time, that might be a reason. I can't imagine, but maybe. Yeah, he's streaming too right now. So, I mean, that might be why. We're both on the same internet. But I mean, I can't imagine. We've got pretty fast internet. That seems weird. I don't know why escape closes the menu. Everything seems to be working except for that, and it's the weirdest fucking thing. Like, why would that be a thing? What did I do different up here? In the chroma color one. It's literally on here. Plus enter held is off. Are we not? We're turning that off, right? This doesn't make any sense. That anymore. Get out of here. That's the menu stuff. Did we? I feel like we should have the buffer on there, huh? Did we not put the buffer on? I didn't put the buffer on here either. I feel like it's just smart to do. Right? Alter values set buffer to 2. Let's try doing it down here too. It's weird. Because nothing's different. You know what? I think I know what it is. I think I know what it is. I don't think I need the buffer to be 2 there, but I think I know what it is. It's up here above. Escape. There it is, yeah. This needs to be other one. Okay, that's dumb. It was right there. It's just right there. Okay. That should fix it. I was wondering, I'm like, it doesn't make any sense. But these actually, oh no, they do activate. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, it does make sense now that I think about it. There we go. Okay, so if we set these to like, you can't really see this one too well, but okay, let's see if we change the value to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? And then we go back into it and delete everything. It goes to all F's. Okay. So this is going to be mainly this stuff here. So if we go into our menu and hit game color, let's make it the same thing as the other thing. 66CCEE. And now you can see that the game is changed all of this stuff. So somebody can make it be whatever color they want the game to be. Yeah. So you can make it be, I'm trying to think if you can make it like a purple color. Let's do like a 99 11 go 44. That's red. FF. There we go. So there we go. There we got like a nice purple. So I mean, it's not like it's something I personally would want, but I want to just make it so that somebody can make it, you know, whatever the hell they want. Like, this is personally more something I would go for. It'd be like a lighter color. Yeah, so it's the entire game would have this option here. So like, if, for example, if we went like this and we started up a round, it would change everything. The whole game would be... Game should be. Oh, there it goes. Cool. That's not what I want you to do. Why did you not? I think there's something I need to fix. Let's change this again. Let's do the same thing. 66CCEE. And then now let's try running the game. So the whole game is there. There is still... So there's still the issue with the actual... Thank you. I appreciate that, Poonie. Poonie Pin? So we should be able to just like change this stuff on the fly. So again, we could go over here. Trying to think of what a good orange color would be. Probably something along the lines of like, I don't know, CC. We don't want a lot of blue. Eight. There we go. So yeah, we can have it be orange and stuff too. Don't kill me, Totamagus. Please, let me kill you. Let me kill you. Ow. See, I don't like that white at the end there. That is something that's a little bit weird to me. I'm trying to think of how I can... do that. I might have to change... some stuff, which wouldn't be so bad. Animations are so good. Thank you. I'm pretty happy with it. We've been working on this little game kind of on and off since end of March of this year, so it's taken me a lot longer than it should have, just because of the fact that I've been kind of slow on it. I've had a lot of periods where I just wasn't working on stuff and I wasn't doing things like I should have. But I'm happy with the progress that we've made right now. I am happy with where it's at. So yeah, that might be a little bit of a pain, because how that star wipe thing works is, what layer is that? Is it this layer? Yeah, it's this thing here. And we're changing the color of that. So why don't we just change the color of the star wipe? Wouldn't the star wipe be the same color? I think that's the only thing I'm missing, right? So when we're changing the chroma color, when we're I might not have to change anything. When we're changing the chroma color, RGB coefficient. Oh, I am, but here I didn't do it. I didn't do it down here. That's what I'm missing. So when we are changing colors, Effect, set RGB coefficient to this should be screen color. So we're setting the screen color to that, setting those layers. Okay, that was the thing I missed. So that should work. That should look a lot nicer now. Okay, so let's try this again then. Let's go over here. Something's wrong with like the testing screen too, which is aggravating me. For some reason when I go to test things, it fucks up everything else. And I think what's happening is it's somehow turning something on. Anyway, let's change this to, what did I have it before? We did like, BB 5500. Okay, let's try running the game again. What is happening? If we just start it up, it starts. All right, what are we doing? How are we not starting up a game? I fucked it up. Hang on. Okay, that's what I want. I want it to be right there. Yeah. So it does. It just wasn't doing it before. Okay. That works. That's fine. Now what I need to figure out is why the game's not starting up. Something is messing up when I'm going into these menus, and it's not starting the game. And I'm not certain what it is. There's something up here for game startup. This lock is off on. The lock is not getting turned on, is it somehow? I guess let's check. So let's go to should be flags. This log is lock is currently false. What was I doing? I did CC 5500. Okay. Okay, it's working. That was weird too. Yeah, the nice little lavender is cool. I like the lavender a lot. You gonna kick my booty? Yeah, I like the option. I like giving people the option to change the color of the screen to whatever they want. You know, like I said, it's a minor thing in my All right, something's happening with a start wipe now. What in the world? I think I'm too brain dead right now to figure this out. We'll I'm probably gonna just fix this stuff later. I got everything I wanted done. Mainly, I wanted to work on the credits a little bit tonight, hence the title of the stream. But I don't think that's gonna happen. It's not happening. So how about we just end stream there? I'm probably not going to be streaming on Saturday, just like I said, because of the fact that we've got New Year's going on. I don't know what we're doing. We might be going over to a friend's house and hanging out and stuff. So I'm probably not going to be streaming on Saturday night. But I'm really trying to get back into a consistent schedule. This is why I can't program anymore tonight. I'm really trying to get back into a consistent schedule of streaming more often because I want to make progress on this game. And then once I make progress on MicroStream RPG, then I can get back to Pac-Man 37, Maze Creator development. And we can start working on some other projects and stuff. So there's exciting stuff on the horizon, but I need to get through this because this is important to me. It's very important to me. I really like this little project. I want to get it to a point where it's working and it's done and we can have fun with it. Like, I think we'll have a lot of fun with it once it's done. So yeah, I'm going to be trying to do more game dev streams. I think throughout the week, yeah, I can get back to Bounce and Billy's almost done. Like, Bounce and Billy, really, honestly, I could probably just get that done on my own and put that on Steam. Like, it's so easy. Like, we could just do that. I could just do that. All I have to do left on Bounce and Billy really is, like, I don't think I'm going to go through and update all the graphics like I thought I was going to. That would be a huge undertaking, and I'm not in the mood to do it right now. I could just do that, Garrett. I could just do it. But literally, the only thing that is holding Bounce and Billy back is the high score screen. That's it. And the only thing on the high score screen that's holding it back is character entering, like being able to enter your name. That's it. Everything else is done. The rest of it's all done. And I don't know why I've been stalled up on it for like 2 years now. I should have had it done September of 2020. Anyway, so yeah, I'm really trying to focus on game dev stuff. So I think what I'm going to be doing, I think my plan for 2020 initially is I'm going to be doing game dev stuff throughout the week. So if I ever do a Tuesday or a Thursday stream, it's going to be game dev stuff. If I do an impromptu stream on one of the other days of the week, it may be something else or it may be more game dev. And then weekends will be reserved for other games. So weekends will be something else. We'll play a game, Pokemon Scarlet. Gareth just gifted me the Mortician. What is it? The Mortuary Assistant. He gifted me the Mortuary Assistant for Christmas. That was very nice of him. Thank you, Gareth. I do want to play that game. I wanted to play it on stream, so I think it'd be fun little experience to go through. So we may play that. But we've got a lot of the games to play as well. So I think weekdays are going to be game dev, weekends are going to be reserved for other games, and then spontaneous stream may contain whatever. Did I win Genshin? I beat the Spiral Abyss that I was supposed to. I didn't technically win all the way, but I won most of the way. And Super Junior Pac-Man coming in with the last minute pack fact. I had one, hang on. I actually did have one in mind for you. I had one. Shoot, what was it? Fuck. I had one. Oh, it's an easy one. Yeah, I remember it now. And I think I've talked about this before too, but obviously we're starting to recycle pack facts. That the ghosts in the original Pac-Man and Miss Pac-Man, and I think Junior Pac-Man too. Actually, maybe not in Junior Pac-Man, but Pac-Man and Miss Pac-Man, the ghosts are incapable of doing a 180-degree turn. They're not actually, excuse me. They're capable of doing a 180-degree turn. They are not programmed to be able to deal with a dead end. So if they go into a dead end in the original Pac-Man and Miss Pac-Man, and there's nowhere for them to go, but the exact opposite direction that they came from, they will just go right through the wall. They do not have the programming to deal with dead ends, to turn around 180 degrees. They were never programmed to handle dead ends, which is funny because the prototype maze for Pac-Man, the maze that they were working on before the original game actually had its finalized maze, had dead ends in it. So I just think it's hilarious that they were planning on dead ends and then didn't program any behavior to handle dead ends. And if the dead end is on the top or the bottom, they'll literally break. That's hilarious. But anyway, that's going to be it for me. Since I don't get to do this very often, we're going to go and raid the boyfriend. He is playing South Park. If you've been keeping up with his streams or anything like that, he's playing South Park. The Fractured Butthole. I think he's almost at the end, as far as I knew. So, hey Yoshi, good night to you too. Good seeing you. So we're gonna go raid him, and like I said, no stream Saturday, but I'll be back at the latest Tuesday. It'll probably be Tuesday, and I'll have Thursday and Friday off. So I might do a Wednesday night stream and then a Thursday stream as well. We'll see. Anyway, thank you guys for joining me. Hope you have a wonderful night, and I will catch you next week. Bye-bye, guys.